Hey guys, this is Matt with Coastal Property Services 30A here in beautiful Panama City Beach, Florida. Wanted to quickly show you a job we just finished up here in Inlet Beach, which is just west of Panama City. Here we have a traditional half round with 4-inch round downspouts, which gives it a really elegant look. This is a new neighborhood over here. I'll just walk you through real quick. But these came out real nice. Just a nice touch on the home. Great curb appeal and functionality as well. Keep all that unwanted water away from your new foundation. And keep the dirt from splashing on your house, especially when they're all pretty white like these. But this is new construction with brand new gutters to complement the house. Came out really nice. Please visit us at coastalpropertyservice.com. You can give us a call at 850-273-8770. See you next time. Have a great day.